Yesterday, with the implementation of series of change by Tradingview, the basic plans are only able to use 2 indicators, and this update has made it difficult for a group of users of this platform. So, I quickly started to find an alternative Tradingview platform that is both free and has its paid features for free. So, if you want to get familiar with this platform, like this video and share it with your friends. And stay with me until the end of this video. So, first of all, go to search for investing. You can see the overview of this site, different parts of this site including watchlist, news, analysis. But the part we are dealing with is a chart section. According to your activity in each market, choose the corresponding chart. I choose the cryptocurrency chart. From this part, we make the chart full screen. As you can see, this platform is very similar to Tradingview. To add indicators to the chart, just click on the section and add unlimited indicators to your chart. Another advantage of this site is the ability to add alarms to the chart. Another feature that is free on this site, while Tradingview is paid, is the layout feature. You can search for your trading symbols from here. There is also the ability to add Fibonacci, lines, change, and candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi and many other features. All you have to do is register in this site. That's all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think there is a better platform than this site, please leave me a message in comment section.